In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dashboard filters in Salesforce. Adding filters to your dashboards can significantly enhance your ability to pinpoint trends and insights without having to sift through excessive data. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to dashboards. You can do this easily from the app launcher or the navigation bar depending on your preference. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific dashboard where you'd like to add your filters. Opening it is as simple as clicking on its name. With the dashboard open, look for the edit button. It's usually prominently displayed, allowing you to effortlessly switch to the editing mode. Once you're in the dashboard builder, head over to the top right section. You should see an option labeled plus filter. Clicking it will kick off the process of adding your filter. Now, the first step in defining your filter is selecting the field you want to filter by. This field should be consistent across all source reports used in your dashboard components. Common choices include fields like opportunity stage, owner, or region. Make sure you select a field that aligns with the insights you want to draw from this dashboard. Next, you'll need to provide a display name for your filter. Think of this as the label that users will see when they're accessing the dashboard. Choose a name that is intuitive and informative so users can easily understand its function at a glance. Following the display name, you'll have to choose an operator. Operators determine how the filter will work. For instance, you might choose equals, contains, or starts with, depending on the specificity and type of filtering you're aiming for. This choice will help refine the data in a way that meets your analytical needs. Now it's time to enter the values that users can filter by. These should be relevant options related to the field you've selected. For example, if you've chosen the opportunity stage field, you might include values like prospecting or closed won. These values give users a direct way to interact with the filtered data. Once you're satisfied with the setup of your filter, click Apply. This will temporarily add the filter to your dashboard, allowing you to see how it interacts with your data. Keep in mind that Salesforce allows you to add up to 3 filters per dashboard, so if you need additional refinement, you can repeat these steps to incorporate more variability. Finally, once all your filters are in place, don't forget to click Save. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready for you and your team to use. And that wraps up the process of adding dashboard filters in Salesforce. Remember, these filters are a powerful tool to narrow down data and reveal the insights that matter most to your business. Thanks for watching, and happy filtering!